I told you I'm gonna pay for it. And then where'd you get your scarf from?
Pardon?
Your scarf.
Your tea towel. I really like it.
You know, in Australia, we use tea towels for washing the dishes.
Where'd you get your scarf from?
Pardon?
Your scarf.
Your tea towel. I really like it.
You know, in Australia, we use tea towels for washing the dishes.
Hey guys, leave her alone.
Come on, mate. We're just asking where she got her scarf from.
He said leave her alone. She didn't do anything to you.
Oh, come on. We're just having a
Well,
laugh.
it's not very funny.
Whatever. Come on, let's just go.
Thanks.